If you want to know how to add paper money to your Cash App but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can deposit paper money to your Cash App balance by visiting a retailer. This feature lets you add physical cash to your Cash App account by simply handing cash to a cashier, who will then add it to your balance. First, if you don't see this feature in your Cash App, go to your profile section at the top right corner and scroll down and tap on support. Scroll down again and tap on chat to request this feature. As we don't have this feature right now, but once it's enabled, you'll find the paper money deposit option on the main screen under the bank transfer option. Selecting this option will display a map showing nearby locations where you can make deposits. After choosing a location, a barcode will be generated at the store. Show the barcode to the cashier and give them the cash. For example, if you give them $10, then a $1 fee will be charged and $9 will be added to your Cash App balance instantly. There are some limits, so you can deposit up to $1,000 in a 7-day period and up to $4,000 in 30-day period, with a single deposit maximum of $500. Some stores may require ID verification for this service. And that's it for how you can add paper money to Cash App. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.